Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox this coffee mug. A multifunctional vacuum mug. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. This trendy and durable coffee mug can hold up to 355 milliliters of liquid, hot or cold. And it is a stainless steel mug, made with fully compostable materials. You can reuse this coffee mug again and again.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.